Well, for all of you who have been watching the progress of this table that I've been putting on Instagram, there's 8 or 9 videos. Today's the day we're going to wrap it up and take it and deliver it to my client. My client has one of my other tables that she bought about 2 years ago, I guess, maybe 2.5 years ago. And today's the delivery of this table. The wood is Mozambique, and it's going to live at the end of her couch, and it should look nice in the room. It's kind of exciting to deliver it. Naturally, I hope she's thrilled with it, and I think she will be. It was a fun piece to make. A number of different challenges that were fun to solve, and it's going to be a fun day. And today just happens to be Halloween.